Choosing what to study and where is a big decision. Attending an open day is one of the best ways to find the right fit for you.
If you're here for nursing, welcome.
There's so much to see, consider and get excited about when you visit our Glyntaf campus. Here are a few tips to make the most of your day. Number 1, plan ahead. There's a lot happening. Subject sessions, talks and tours. Check your programme in advance and pick out what matters most to you. Number 2, get in on the action. Your day will be packed with interactive sessions, a perfect chance to explore the course and see our facilities in action. Number 3, ask questions. We're a friendly bunch, so don't be shy. Chat with our lecturers or speak with our students to hear what life here is really like. You'll also find plenty of helpful advice around campus, from admissions to scholarship and bursaries. Just look out for our information stands to speak directly to our student support services. It really helps to come prepared with a few questions in mind. Number 4, explore. While you're here, take a campus tour, get a feel for student life and check out our Students' Union. We've got lots of clubs, societies and sports teams. There's something for everyone. If you're looking for your home away from home, make sure you check out our accommodation too. And if you need a little pick-me-up, don't forget to grab your free Welsh cake and a cuppa. Number 5, capture your experience. Take photos, notes and record your highlights. When it comes to choosing where to study, these small details can help you picture where you'll thrive. Now you've got the tips and know what to expect, you're all set to make the most of your visit. We can't wait to see you in Glyntaf.